Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today, we are going to be planning in my wellness planner, which is the black and white classic size happy planner. This is the last spread in this particular planner, and then I am going to go ahead and move over to the Mio planning one that Happy Planner came out this year with. So we'll see how that goes. I might be back in this one, who knows, but for right now, I am going to be giving it a try. So I am using the beautiful Posh Winter from Live Love Posh, as you can probably tell. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add some beautiful stickers from her into this design. And this planner is actually very structured because I track the same things every single week. So there's my food intake, which is breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, as well as any supplements that I might take. And then I track my steps, my mood, and my sleep. And while I am putting down those beautiful, beautiful stickers, I wanted to say thank you for choosing to spend some time with me today. I really, really am grateful for every single minute that you choose to spend with me. And if you are coming back, thank you so much. And if you just found me, welcome. I really hope you like it here. Don't forget to subscribe if you did. So I'm gonna go ahead and just move this really beautiful, I think it's flower ball, but I'm not sure, into Thursday, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add that hello 2022 and then that beautiful banner to that week. Look how pretty. Yep, there we go. And then of course cheers with my little champagne flute. And then New Year's Eve. I love her font, so I'm gonna go ahead and add those. And those little tiny party hats. And then we have Pop Fizz Clink. More balloons, of course. I am loving these stickers. They are so beautiful. What are you guys doing this New Year's? Are you having some plans? Are you having a party at home? Are you hosting? Or are you going out? What is your New Year's tradition? So I am starting some new traditions being in our new home. And for Christmas, instead of exchanging gifts with my partner, Alec and I put 5 states each into a bucket. And we went ahead and pulled the state that we are going to this year to visit. I'm sure we're going to be traveling more than just one state, but that one is like a for sure. And I thought that might be kind of a fun gift. Instead of items, we're going to be giving each other some experiences, which I really like, and I want to travel more, and so does he, and seeing other states. And eventually, once COVID is done, I think we're gonna include some countries as well. But for the time being, we're going to stay within the country and travel a little bit. So I am beyond excited to be able to go and travel. And I think that creating memories is probably the best Christmas gift that you can give someone. So New Year's, I haven't started any traditions just yet. I don't know. For right now, I'm just going to be hanging out with my siblings and Alec, of course, and we'll see what goes from there. So, super, super excited. If you guys have fun ones, let me know because, like I said, I'm always looking to incorporate some really fun ideas into my life. Okay, so I'm adding that hat. And I think I'm pretty much done with the spread. I'm just gonna add a few more florals so I have enough room to track everything. So now I know where I can add the decorations. And I think that will be it. But I'm very close to practically being done. I'm just gonna add a few little florals to brighten up that spread. This is a very unique color combo for me. I am normally not a very purple loving person, and most people who know me know that, but I will give it a go for this time. And that's it. Thanks so much for spending the time with me. I hope you enjoy this spread and what I share, and I will see you guys very, very soon for another plan with me. Don't forget to share your New Year's Eve traditions or of any fun Christmas traditions that you might have. That would be great. And I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching. Bye.